Melanie, and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are going to be talking about how to DIY a sanitation station. So what's so special about today's video is that with this DIY sanitation station, it could be used and applied to every single facet of your life, not just weddings and baby showers and birthday parties and bridal showers and things like that, but it could be also used at daycares, at schools, at your job, at your home, at nursing homes. This can be applied almost anywhere, and it's definitely something that is needed in every facet of life. So I'm going to start by hauling the items that I have to create the DIY sanitation station, and then once we get all of the items hauled, I will link them all down in the description box below, and then I will do a setup for you guys to make it fun and really inviting and really enticing. So it will kind of encourage people to, you know, be more acutely aware of washing their hands and sanitizing their hands and, you know, touching their faces and things like that, and protecting themselves and protecting the public in general. So I do think this is something that I will be including in all of my weddings and events going forward, and I think it's definitely something that if you are a bride or a groom, or you're thinking about hosting an event that is safe, definitely think about including these things as well. And so the items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I got them all at Efavormart. I will link the exact items down in the description box below. The first thing that I picked up was vinyl gloves, and it's a pack of 100. And I like these because they are clear, they are disposable, and they are powder free, because I am allergic to powder in gloves. It breaks my hands out, so I'm really cognizant of that. So yeah, these vinyl gloves are great to have for guests and for, you know, caterers, and just, you know, things in general, like, you know, other things in general. The other thing I have, of course, are these disposable protective face masks, and these are the non-medical grade. So I want to come up with something really cute, a really cute way to set this all up to keep people really inspired to, you know, keep themselves sanitized and protected. The next item I have are these sterilization wipes, and these are huge for me. I like these because, you know, you're always touching things and you need to wipe things off. So definitely they're effective against bacteriosis. They're made from purified water, and it just gives you that peace of mind. Let's say if you're signing a guest book, when you can just open up these wipes and wipe off a pen. I would recommend having pens for everybody, but if you didn't, having those sterilization wipes are really huge. So I picked up 2 packs of those. I also picked up 2 packs of the gloves. Again, you can use the gloves for a lot of different things, especially if someone's like passing out programs or menus or anything like that. You can use the vinyl gloves. Or if people are serving themselves, you can use like the disposable tongs and have them to put on sanitize their hands, put on a pair of these vinyl gloves, and then give them their own individual tongs that are disposable and recyclable, and let them get their own foods, and then wearing a mask, of course, and then they can drop off both the glove and the tongue once they have finished picking up their food. So of course the mask, because you always have situations where people are out in public, maybe they forgot their mask, they don't have a mask, you just want to have some on hand. So of course I got 100 of those as well. And let's see what else I got here. Okay, so these are some cute little like test tube centerpiece situations, and I thought putting like a really cute little flower on the inside of these would be, you know, really cute, and it would capture the attention of the guests by making that area just look really inviting. And then of course you could use it later at home as a part of your home decor. So I've been seeing these little things all around, and I just really love them. And they're like a little test tube, which I thought was really appropriate for the table to put the florals in. If I could get this out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what these look like set up. I just think they will be so super cute on a table, and I got 2 of them, a small one and a large one, and it doesn't take a lot of flowers to put in it, but it'll definitely, you know, add interest to your table to attract people to the station. And the other thing that I got was this absolutely gorgeous tablecloth. It's this mustard velvet, and this color is going to be so popular this fall, and so this would be great and have some beautiful fall flowers on the table just to capture everyone's attention and get them to kind of stop and look. And then I'll also include like a bottle of sanitizer, or maybe some individual bottles of sanitizer if I was going to pass them out for favors. The last thing that I picked up were these face shields, and I think these are so cute. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, and you can just kind of take the plastic off here, but I don't want to take the plastic off yet because I have seen this super duper cute mask that has been floating all around Instagram. It's like a bling mask, and so I'm going to take this shield, and I want to remove the protective piece and then just add the gorgeous bling on it to show you guys how to DIY that using items from like the Dollar Tree. A bling, you guys know that's a Dollar Tree brand. I got some other bling too that I'll add in, and then I also got these 8x10 clear acrylic picture frames. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put the sanitation station sign on it instead of sliding in a sheet of paper. I'm gonna use my Cricut and create some really beautiful signage for the sanitation station as well. So stay tuned for that DIY. So yes, that is all for this haul. I'm gonna set up the sanitation station and show that to you guys. So I hope you enjoy it. Hi you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today I cannot wait to share with you guys some gorgeous fall decor and some tips and ideas on how to create a sanitation station using items that I hauled from Efavormart.com. I will leave that link down below. I know that several of you guys are going back to school, going back to work, going back to college, and I feel like this sanitation station is something that you could use for all of those areas, as well as weddings and events. For those of you guys that do not know, I'm Melanie, founder and creator of the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So we are going to hop into today's video. If you have any other questions or suggestions or things that I should add or take away, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below. So without any further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, so first off, I am going to add a stand for the floral centerpiece. I got a set of 3 of these from TJ Maxx, and for the set of 3 was like $7.99. I thought that was a great price. So I'm just going to add it here because the floral centerpiece is kind of large. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place the floral centerpiece in the center. And I'm kind of recreating what I had from a wedding. And I feel like a basket is something that most of you guys have in or around your home. So you can definitely do that. The next thing that I'm going to do is add the additional baskets on either side. Then I'm going to add some candlesticks that I purchased. They are in the natural wood color because this is more of like a garden glam wedding. So I'm going to add those in just to give it that rustic look. A lot of you guys are going with the rustic glam look for the fall. So I think that's super cute. Next up are these adorable wisteria colored pumpkins. I got these at TJ Maxx for $12.99. So I thought those were absolutely gorgeous. And we're going to set them on top of the candle stand for added height. Next up, I'm going to just add a few of the smaller floral arrangements. Of course, I'm just doing this for beauty. You don't have to do all of this. I just have them, so I'm just going to add it in for just added beauty to fill out the table. You could place extra pumpkins on each side if you had more pumpkins, or, you know, however you choose to do that. And then next up, I'm just going to add in a few more baskets, and I got a set of 3 of those for $6.99 from TJ Maxx. Of course, I want them to see the sanitation station sign. So I created this using a template from Etsy, and it says sanitation station, spread love, not germs. Another cute thing that I did was I did table tent cards, and they read sanitizer, wipes, gloves, and mask. So we're going to put those in place as well. Okay, so now that we have the signage in place, we're going to go through and label our basket. So we're going to put the mask here because we have bigger mask. The wipes, you can do kind of some wipes on either side. I was actually looking for a toilet paper, or not a toilet paper, a holder that holds like Kleenex to sit on top of this because of the square shape, but I couldn't find one. So I just figured we'd go ahead and open this up and sit it down in the basket. I wanted to be able to pull them through like you pull Kleenex through, but we weren't able to do that. But it's okay. We'll just leave it here. It doesn't peel completely off because you want to keep the wipes moisturized. So I'm just going to sit both packs of those down on either side. And then we will place the gloves and all of those wonderful things in place as well. So I love the fact that the baskets kind of house, you know, it hides the actual container, but it houses everything that you need. So we're going to put the gloves in place, and the gloves also I think would work really well in a Kleenex holder, like a rectangular one, but just placing them down in the basket works just as fine. No issues there. So we're just going to place them down in the basket and then there. So in the other side, we are going to place our mask in that section, and then we also have our hand sanitizer that we are going to place in the middle. You want to be careful with hand sanitizer. I was reading on Martha Stewart article the other day, and it was talking about the hand sanitizers that people have been selling that actually have like harmful chemicals. So you want to make sure that the hand sanitizer that you're purchasing is not harmful. So make sure that they don't have those chemicals. If I can find that article, I will link it down below. So that is it. We have wipes, we have gloves, we have masks, we have hand sanitizer, and then underneath the table you can also place your extras. So I'm going to just, show you guys how it looks all set up. And I hope that you enjoy creating this DIY sanitation station with me. Okay guys, so there you have it, my DIY sanitation station. I'm telling you guys, it would be perfect for every walk of life, whether you are a student or a school teacher or co-worker, a mom. You can even create something really small to sit outside of your home, like maybe on a cute little table or in a cute little basket, and put them in, like, put gloves and masks and things like that in a cute little basket and sit them outside for people that may be going in and out of your home doing services, or someone that may be dropping by food or whatever the case may be, just to add that extra layer of protection and safety. So I absolutely love the way that this turned out for my wedding. I think that it would be great for your next wedding or your next event to do a sanitation station. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!